So this is the My Dream Home project. This project is for composite figures. So if you're teaching geometry with composite figures, this project is for you. When are we ever gonna use this? It was a really good way to teach the kids real world application. When you get this packet, you will get the how do I do this page. So this explains to the student exactly how the project is done. It needs a name because every cool house has a name, a bedroom because you need a place to sleep, a bathroom because hygiene is important, kitchen because you have to eat. You're going to cut shapes on the following pages and arrange them to make a house. Make sure that your home has no gaps because that would be weird. So there's a rubric that comes with the project. These tell you how much each shape is worth. So there's some squares that they can use that are 10 by 10. There are some trapezoids that they can use. The trapezoids are make a hexagon. You find the total square foot of the house and add it up. It's an overachiever. And that's it in a nutshell.
But better because mine's better. Shut up. So we have, when you walk in, there's the kitchen, right? And then there's another like outside patio thing where the pool is at. And then you have your master bedroom, and when you go in, there's like a porch, I guess you could say. And then yeah, there's the bathroom over here. And then the total thing is